Hey, my people, not be small, oh. This judge for the Supreme Court, he don't come expose what happened on the 26th of October 2023. Hey, my people, not be smart, you know. He said it was unfair. He can't expose how that is appoint 7-man panel we go work in their favor. He can't say they're unfair. Say no judge was represented from the southeast. The man talk plenty things. Man, let on here. No be my mouth now go here. My people, this man now from north, Justice Musa Mohammed. This one no be Igbo man, no be Delta man, no be Sheki, no be Edo, no be Calabar man. Now from the north, he said it was unfair. Listen to it. Help me share this video. Leave your comments, my people. Anyway, the fee say he don't pass, but at least secret go they expose, go they know. My own to update you now. Now to listen. Help me share. Leave your comments. Thanks for watching.
The conversation about the diminishing number of justices at the Supreme Court has become a refrain. As I bow out today, the number is further reduced to 10 against the constitutional requirement of 21 justices. That this avoidable depletion has affected and will further affect the court and litigants to straighten the office. We are in an election season where the election tribunals and appellate courts are inundated with all manner of petitions and appeals. The Supreme Court is the final court in the presidential, governorship, and National Assembly election appeals. Yet, there are only 10 justices left to determine these matters. Constitutionally, each of these appeals requires a panel of 7 justices to sit on them. When a panel of 7 justices is constituted to sit on a particular appeal, only 3 justices are left. Even when regular appeals are being heard in the Supreme Court, a panel of 5 justices is required to sit. We must not forget that the court, being the highest in the land, receives all manner of appeals from the court below. Presently, there is neither limit nor distinction to the manner of appeals that come to the apex court. Again, beside election matters which are seasonal, the Supreme Court's dockets is overflowing with civil and criminal appeals, some of which took many years to arrive. Most of these are still pending. Several have not even been assigned hearing days. The court also exercises original jurisdiction. As the justices who hear these matters are grossly overstretched, unable to meet the demands of their onerous assignment, the litigants who approach the court seeking justice are left in limbo, waiting endlessly for justice to be served. These, as I have said before, are avoidable. While I exit today, the North Central Zone that I represent ceases to have any representation until such a time new appointments are made. My Lord Honorable Justice Ejembi Eko, JSC, who also represented the zone, retired on the 23rd of May 2022. It has been a year and 5 months now. There has not been any replacement. With the person of my Lord Honorable Justice Chima Santos Nweze, JSC, on 29 July 2023, the Southeast no longer has any presence at the court. My Lord Honorable Justice Sylvester Amwani Nguta, JSC, died on the 7th of March 2021. I repeat, 2021. There has not been any appointment in the state for the Southeast. To ensure justice and transparency in presidential appeals, thank God we have been heard and determined. All geopolitical zones need to be represented. They are required to participate in the hearing of such appeals. It is therefore dangerous, or it was therefore dangerous, for democracy and equity for 2 entire regions to be left out in the decisions that affect the generality of Nigerians. And this is not what our laws envisage. Although it can be posited that no one expected the sudden person of Honorable Justice Nweze, yet it has been 2 years and 7 months since previous justice from the Southeast died and no appointment was made. The same thing with respect to the replacement of Justice Eko of the North Central, who exited nearly 2 years ago. Honorable Justice C. Dibagi, now His Royal Highness the Emir of Lafia from the North Central, had earlier voluntarily retired. He equally is yet to be replaced. Also, it was clear affirmation that I will be leaving the court this day on attaining the statutory age of 70. It is then not in doubt that there has been sufficient time for suitable replacement to have been appointed. This is yet to occur. When on the 6th of November 2020, the Supreme Court, for the first time in its history, got a full complement of 21 justices, with the swearing in of 8 justices, little did anyone knew that we were only a few steps to unimaginable retrogression. As it stands, only 4 geopolitical regions, the Southwest, the South-South, Northwest, and the Northeast, are represented on the court, at the bench of the Supreme Court now. While the South-South and Northeast have 2 serving justices, the Northwest and Southwest are fully represented with 3 justices each. Appropriate steps could have been taken since to fill outstanding vacancies in the Apex Court. Why have these steps not been timeously taken? It is evident that the decision not to fill the vacancies in the court is deliberate. It is all about the absolute powers vested in the office of the Chief Justice of Nigeria and the responsible exercise of same.